Hello everyone, in today's Excel lesson, I want to introduce the useful conditional formatting feature to you all. The concept behind conditional formatting is actually very similar to filter which I introduced previously. When using both, we need to set a condition first. For example, if I want to find the students who scored 100 on the recent exam. If using the filter function, Excel would hide the students who do not meet the condition. Therefore, only Nathan Foley's name would remain in the table. Conditional formatting works a bit differently. It will highlight the students who do meet the condition using colors, fonts, etc. to make it easier to spot these data. Okay, how do we use format conditions then? Let's say I want to find all orders made through the delivery channel today. First, I can select the channel column. Then click the Format Conditions button in the function bar. Choose Highlight Cell Rules, then click Equal to. A dialog box will pop up. I can directly click on Delivery as the filter condition. The right side menu provides several preset color options. If you don't like these colors, you can click Custom Format at the bottom to customize. For example, I can apply a bold font, dark blue text color, and switch to the Fill tab to apply a light blue background. Finally click OK. We can even apply multiple conditions to the same column. For example, I also want to highlight the market channel with a color. Then repeat the previous steps. Click Format Conditions again. Choose Equal to, click on Market, then click OK. Let's do a test input. I'll put the cursor in the blank cell at the bottom and type in Delivery. Then another market. You'll see these cells automatically change color. Pretty cool, right? Okay, what if I want to change these colors or remove the colors? Very easy. First select the column again. Click Format Conditions, choose Manage Rules. If you want to edit, you can select the rule and click Edit Rule above. In the bottom fields we can re-specify the condition. For example, change the channel to grocery. Clicking the Format button allows changing the color, such as selecting a green fill this time. Click OK again. We have now changed the condition and format. To delete a rule, select it and simply click Delete Rule above. Besides filtering specific text, conditional formatting can also be widely applied to other data types. Take dates for example. In the conditional formatting menu, we can click on dates occurring. In the dialog box, Excel provides many date filter options, such as last month, which I can select, then click OK. This will highlight all orders from last month. For number data types, Excel also provides conditions like greater than, less than, between, etc. for easy filtering. For instance, I want to find prices greater than $100. I can click Greater Than in the Format menu and enter 100 in the dialog box. This makes finding these values very easy. Excel even offers top-bottom rules for ranking searches. If I want to find the top 5 highest prices, for example, I can click Top 10 items in the Format menu. Then change the 10 to 5 in the dialog box. Click OK and it's done. If you think conditional formatting can only simply change the color of cells meeting criteria, then you'd be wrong. It actually provides 3 interesting data visualization widgets, data bars, color scales, and icon sets. Using them is similar to the previous operations. We can select the column to apply, like the total column. Click Conditional Formatting, choose Data Bars, pick a color you like. Excel will then automatically generate data bars based on the data value sizes. Color scales use a gradient color range to indicate higher and lower values. With the current settings, higher values trend towards green, while lower values trend towards red. These colors can be modified as you like. Open the Manage Rules dialog box, click Edit Rule, and you can change the colors at the bottom. Click OK when done. Finally, icon sets use icon symbols to indicate higher and lower values. Here I've applied a traffic light icon set. With the default buckets, the top 67% of values show a green light, 33% to 67% show a yellow light, and below 33% show a red light. Of course, these buckets can be freely modified. Open the Manage Rules dialog, click Edit Rule again, and you can customize the buckets as desired. Okay, we've covered many conditional formatting types. Finally, if you want to clear all rules at once, you can click Clear Rules in the menu and select Clear Rules from entire sheet. This will reset the Excel sheet to its initial state. That concludes my introduction to format conditions today. See you next time. Bye.